First, the headlines. Royal Ballets of Manipur Utra Sanglen observe Kwak Tanba, an annual traditional ceremony of Meitei community. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoizam inspects Imphal International Airport, evaluates various facilities including deployment of CISF personnel. Manipur police apprehend 2 members of proscribed group Pripak in Imphal West, not affiliated to DANE, clarifies Pripak. Hello, this is Nishita Irenbam and you're watching ISCOM Prime News for this hour. Now let's see the news in details. An annual traditional ceremony day of the Meitei community in Manipur called Kwak Tanba or Kwak Jatra was held in Imphal on Monday. The ceremonial day, which involves a series of rituals, also called Loidam Kumsaba, is celebrated on the 10th of Manipuri lunar calendar every year. This year, the ritual ceremony organized by the Sana Konung and Utra Sanglen was held at the youth community hall of Wangkai Angom Lekai. The ceremony began early morning and the ritual was conducted by titular King Leisemba Sanajawa, who is also Rajya Sabha MP, high ranks of the Sana Konung. Praise, prestige, King of Angom clan and deputed singers of the Royal Ballet attended the ceremony. Additionally, the Mera Kwak Tanba, also known as Vijaya Dasami, was observed at the Sri Sri Govindaji temple complex in Imphal. The event featured a variety of traditional and cultural performances, including Thangta, Kausaba, and Mai Bazagoi, alongside other rituals. In a proactive move to ensure safety and operational efficiency, Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoizam conducted an on-site inspection of the Imphal International Airport yesterday. During his visit, the MP evaluated the deployment of Central Industrial Security Force CISF personnel, fire control measures and emergency treatment facilities. He emphasized the importance of this service in safeguarding passengers and staff. Dr. Akoizam also assessed the capabilities of the air traffic control room, ensuring it is equipped to handle emergency landings and refueling operations if necessary. In addition to safety measures, the MP reviewed the ongoing expansion work at the airport, highlighting the potential for increased capacity and improved services. The visit included briefings from officials of the Airport Authority of India and the CISF, providing Akoizam with comprehensive insights into the airport's operations and future developments. Manipur police apprehended 2 members of the proscribed group Pripak in Imphal West district yesterday. The arrested individuals have been identified as 34-year-old Irungbam Nganba Meitei and 18 years old Haubizam Sanathoi Singh, also known as Tomtin. According to police reports, both suspects were involved in cases of monetary demands targeting various showrooms across Imphal. Authorities recovered 2 two-wheelers and a driving license from their possession during the arrest. Meanwhile, a statement from the publicity officer of the Department of Publicity and Propaganda of Pripak, Mangal Guman, has clarified that the 2 arrested individuals, Irungbam Nganba Meitei and Hauvizam Sanathoi Singh, are not affiliated to Pripak or its army wing, known as the Red Army. In a strong show of solidarity, women from Moirang states sit in protest in Imphal East, condemning the attempted kidnapping of social media influencer R.K. Chenthoivi. The demonstration was organized under the banner of the Moirang Pural Apunba Meirapaibi. Speaking to the media, Secretary of the Moirang Puren Apunba Meirapaibi, Seria Leima, voiced the collective outrage of the elderly women of Manipur. They expressed their firm stance against those who undermine free speech and incite hatred, emphasizing the need for unity instead of division. Laima highlighted that any misunderstanding can and should be resolved through dialogue, urging all parties involved to ensure the safety of R.K. Chantoibi. Meanwhile, the women wing of Kokomi Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity also voiced its strong condemnation of the attempted kidnapping. At a press conference held at their office in Imphal, Assistant Coordinator R.K. Tharaksana remarked that such actions pose a serious challenge to the women of Manipur. She urged the community to stand together against violence and expressed hope that similar incidents would not be repeated in the future.
Hairiba isan toida chataramiba Parasupatra Mali Baki the Maka Karim Bakrati Masu Togday, Miangi Awaba Sarukai, cooking and sit but terroriski, land functions to Mama Samasu, a quick kulai python at Sanjan Mak Natragasu, Man Angam Batata Maso, the Mak Konaba Yauba Tugumba, Isamani, Aduna Mangon the Kangan Batau Rivasi Makata Natobira Kanu, Aduga, Magi Adugum Naba, Mangonda, Mayama Makak, Magi, Marueba, a quiggy. Kano mayam ama document na kachingba mayam yawi magi mobile phone se masisu atubada akoi hanbirao masada pisan biu natraga akoi da imama sing da tum pibira su kaide natta dana makata na mo na kian kangan bana singba chathar pata ga dinga si ko megi ima sing tu tumina ka chu leitoi aduna miyam da koi na tamjaning badi ngasi akoi gi lamdam sida mama masa kangaktraba lo leitraba tawning bada tawraba ngasi kunai sidadi akoi kokomigi ima singdi adumak leptana laigani.
In a tragic incident, a man allegedly shot and killed his elder brother during a family altercation led last night at Thoubal, Ningombam, Singam later. The incident occurred around 9:30 p.m. when the deceased, identified as 47-year-old Sapam Swaminath, tried to intervene in a dispute between his brother and sister-in-law. According to the reports, Sapam Somorjit, 42 years, is accused of firing the fatal shot. Somorjit, who works as a security guard for an ATM cash transport service, was arrested by police shortly after the incident. His elder brother, Swaminath, was a teacher at Thoubal Tomzin Anandapur English School. The body of the deceased has been sent to Jennings morgue for post-mortem examination, and authorities are continuing their investigation into the incident. Residents of Uyumpog, Awanglekai in Imphal East District staged a sit-in demonstration demanding authorities to find out the whereabouts of 64-year-old Yumkhaibam Santi, who went missing since he strayed towards a Kuki village near Pukhao, Terapur on 8 October. Speaking during the sit-in at Uyumpog Multipurpose Community Hall, Haikruzam Ivohal, a protesting local resident, informed that Y Santi is suffering from a mental disorder. Nevertheless, Ivohal cautioned of launching various forms of agitation by setting up a joint action committee if the authorities failed to find out the whereabouts of Y Santi. Body of an unidentified man suspected to be a non-local was discovered yesterday morning at around 7:30 a.m. at the staircase of YLSU Club in Utlo, under the jurisdiction of Numbol Police Station. Locals alerted authorities to the scene, where the body was found in an unresponsive state. Police believe the man may have been a mentally unstable homeless individual though no identification documents were found at the scene. There were also no visible signs of injury on the body, further complicating the investigation. Authorities have not yet confirmed the cause of death, and the man's identity remains unknown. An unnatural death case has been registered by the Nambol police, who are continuing their investigation to determine the events leading to discovery of the body. The remains have been transported to the Reims morgue for a post-mortem examination, which is expected to provide more clarity on the cause of death. The Meitei Tribe Union has expressed support for the state government's initiative to identify villages that were established after 1964. In a press release, the union also urged the government to not only identify the villages but to thoroughly investigate the origins of the settlers, particularly those who have migrated into these areas. The union raised concerns over the rapid increase in villages in the hill areas, particularly those settled by the Kuki Joe community, and emphasized that this issue should not be taken lightly. They stressed that if the settlers in this village are found to be illegal immigrants, the government should act decisively. The union argued that merely denying illegal immigrants access to welfare schemes is insufficient. Instead, they called for the immediate detection and action under the Foreigner Act of 1948 to address illegal immigration. The Meitei Tribe Union highlighted that their demand is met in the interest of protecting the indigenous population and safeguarding the future of Manipur. On the occasion of 26th Foundation Day of Manipur Student Federation, President of the Federation, Hizam Roshan, criticized the government for its failure to yield tangible results in education, despite active policy making, budgeting, and system implementation. The event featured key figures including the founder and chief advisor of MSF, Chief Laishram Lukhoi, along with former presidents K.H. Gaurachandra and Muhammad Atabuddin and former Vice President R.N. Koire, who all participated as presidium members. In his address, the MSF President traced the evolution of the National Education Policy 2020, linking it to the earlier National Policy on Education initiated during the tenure of the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. He emphasized that if NEP 2020 were fully implemented, India could emerge as a leader in various fields of development. Roshan also pointed out significant shortcomings in the current curriculum and syllabus, stating they are not aligned with societal needs. He called for urgent revisions, highlighting that a robust curriculum is essential for effective education.
2005 ki akoi curriculum and syllabus ase mahiroi singi oinadi yamna tangai phadaba yanglen saru makakne koi lau singbuda haragana fertilizer magumane adubo sigumba curriculum and syllabus ase manipur ko chanaba manipur lehau ko chanaba iramdang yam susanaba mawongda akoi gi thamlagadi adugi education gi mangana do nyamna kunai sina uba phangane masi oragadi apunba manipur ma sagat padusu akoi mading pangane habisini kunai ma kangluba ma purba magi magun identity magi masat magi wakalon afaba apunjan bagi wakalon se education na porakada uni education gi saithing sanga yaugdana kaidonungda purup kanglup singi koi gi ukhat pangamloi aduna mai masing tammada matang chunaba matang chanaba kanglol ama curriculum framework ama curriculum syllabus ama akoi manipur mathau tai habasima thamjage.
A cleanliness drive was conducted this morning around the Lango Larembi campus, led by local clubs and the Maira Paivis Loop. The initiative held from 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. aimed to address the recent dengue outbreak in Manipur by promoting a cleaner environment to prevent mosquito breeding. Organizers emphasized the importance of maintaining cleanliness, not just for the aesthetic value of the surroundings, but also for the public health. By keeping the area free from stagnant water and waste, the drive aimed to reduce mosquito habitats and help curb the spread of dengue. Locals participated actively in the drive, which was part of broader community efforts to improve hygiene and safeguard the health of residents. A massive fire broke out late Sunday morning at the OV shopping mall in Shillong's busy Polish Bazaar area, causing panic among residents and shoppers. The fire reportedly started around 9 or 10 a.m. in the hotel located above the shopping mall, where the short circuit suspected to be caused. Fortunately, there have been no reports of casualties or significant damage as of the time of this report. The blast sent thick plumes of smoke into the air, creating a tense situation in the bustling area. Fire and emergency service were quick to respond, arriving at the scene promptly and bringing the fire under control. Authorities are continuing the investigation into the exact cause of the incident. First SEYO Tennis Akampat organized a feet run from Lilong Thong to Akampat Tennis Court today, with an objective of promoting healthy living in today's society. A total of 28 athletes took part in the mini marathon. Athletes Katrimayum Santa, KH Joel and TH Debshan finished first, second and third respectively in the mini marathon. Olympian KH Toiva, Fisheries Director H. Balkrishna and advisors to SEYO Tennis, Joy and Ibomcha distributed prizes to the winners of the mini marathon. Once again, the headlines. Royal Palace of Manipur Uttara Samlena observed Kwak Tanba, an annual traditional ceremony of Meitei community. Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoizam inspects Imphal International Airport, evaluates various facilities including deployment of CISA personnel. Manipur police apprehend 2 members of proscribed group Pripak in Imphal West, not affiliated to date, clarifies Pripak. Thank you for watching ISCOM News. Keep watching ISCOM News for more news and updates.